This is the circuit that we built to implement the experiment 1 that given in the exercise 1 assignment, and I am showing here the ladder logic diagram in OpenPLC. This is the required schematic diagram that is given in the appendix of the exercise 1, and here is our OpenDSC localhost in our host machine. Now I am going to supply the power, and let's check if the circuit is working or not. So from the ladder logic diagram we have seen that it's basically an OR gate circuit. If either of the switch PB1 and PB2 is closed, the LED will light up. Let's see now the experiment, the results. Here is the circuit. Now I am going to switch on the PB1. This is PB1, this is PB2, this is LED. So I'm going to switch on the PB1, and yeah, after pressing PB1 it light up the LED, and here is the monitoring system of the OpenPLC, and we have seen that PB1 is true and the LED is true, and at the end we got the LED light up. If we off the switch of PB1, then it's again off the LED, and the monitoring system is also showing that everything is false. Now we'll show the switch working of the PB2 switch. When you press the PB2 switch, it light up the LED, and it also changes the monitoring system. Now PB2 and LED is true, and it gives the output that light up the LED. So if we press both PB1 and PB2, now we will see that the both LEDs once again light up, and now everything is true. PB1, PB2 and LED, everything is true. So the circuit is working fine, and LEDs also light up according to the logic diagram. This is for the experiment 1. Thank you.